Hello superhero, welcome to lesson 21. It says I can share and critique peer solution strategies for word problems with subtraction from the teens. So let's begin. Now subtraction with hide 0 cards. Say 15 the say 10 way. That's 10 5. Alright, we have 10 and 5. 10 minus 9 will give us 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. Very good. So 1 plus 5 is what? 6. Very good. Moving on. Say 13 the say 10 way. That's 10 3. Very good. So 10 minus 9 is 1. 1 plus 3, 4. So that means 13 minus 9 gives us 4. Very good. Now let's move on. 17. Let's say 17 is a 10 way. 10 7. Very good. So 10. Now we're taking out 8. 10 minus 8 will be 2. 2 plus 7, that will be 9. So that means that 17 minus 8 is 9. Very good. Alright, let's take some more. Say 16 the say 10 way. That will be 10 6. Now we are taking out 7. So 10 minus 7 is 3. 3 plus 6 will give us 9. So that means 16 minus 7 is what? 9. Very good. Clap for yourself. Alright, so over to application problem for today's class. There are 16 reading mats in the classroom. If 9 reading mats are being used, how many reading mats are still available? So we have 16 right here, and 9 is being used, or 9 are being used. So I will count my 16. That's 10 6 in the 5 group way. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Then 11 12 13 14 15. Don't forget on 16, sorry. Don't forget I will circle my 10. Yeah, and cross out how many? 9, because 9 of the reading mats are being used. So I'll cross out my 9. See that? Now, how many reading mats are still available? Let's count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. The answer is 7. So the number sentence becomes 16 minus 9, because I crossed that now, equals to what? 7. Clap for yourself. Good. Alright, now Kobe is reading a book that is 14 pages long. She has already read 8 pages. How many more pages does Kobe need to read to finish the book? You can see the solving right here. That will be 14. Take away 8, left with 6. But remember, we are doing the take from 10 strategy, right? So when I have my 10 and I take away 8, I will have 2 left. 2 plus the 4 gives me the same 6. Very good. Clap for yourself. Alright, now moving on. This is student solving the same question, but this time around he is using a different strategy, which is the mat drawing. Alright, now 14 minus 8 equals 6. What did he do? He counted 14 and crossed out 8, and he had 6 left. So Kobe needs to read 6 more pages to finish the book. Very good. Now let's see student C's work. He's using take from 10. Yes. 14 minus 8. Student C is solving using the take from 10 strategy. Alright. But look at what he did very well. Look at his answer. Is it correct? No. He made a mistake. He took out 8 from 14 or from 10. Right? And is having 14 left. Is that correct? No, he even did 4 minus 8 here, which is very, very wrong mathematically. So student C's answer is not correct. Let's go to student D. Whoa, student D is using the count on strategy. 8 plus box equals 14. So he counted from 8 to 14. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and he got 6. So 6 was his answer, or is. Alright, over to our problem set for today's class. Now it says there are 16 dogs playing at the park. 7 of the dogs went home. How many of the dogs are still at the park? Circle all students' work that correctly matches the story. So these are the works of different students. Student A, student B, student C, student D, student E, and student F. Alright, so let's see which one is correct and which one is not correct. Are you set? The first student here, student A, did 16 minus 7. Right? He used a take from 10 and he got 9. Is he correct? Yes, he is correct, because when we count 16 and remove 7, we have 9. Should we try? Okay, let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I want to cross out 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. How many is left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So student A is correct. And they said circle all students' work that correctly matches the story. So I will circle student A's work. What about student B? He counted 16 and crossed out 7. And he had 3 from the 10 plus 6 outside. When you add 3 plus 6, what will you get? That will still be 9. So student B's work is also correct. Now student C, he's using the make or the take from 10 strategy. Alright, he has 16 minus 7. And is sharing his 16 into the 10-way number bond, and 7 also. And at the end, he crossed out 7 from his mark drawing, and he got 9 left, 9 circles left. So the same answer. Yes, it is the same answer. It matches the story. So student C is also correct. Now student D, he's trying to use the number path. We did number path before, right? Yes. He's trying to use the number path to count on. So 16 minus 7, he started from 7 and he moved 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, no 13. No what? No 13. That was his mistake. And he got 8 instead of 9. So student D is wrong. I will not circle it. Student E, 7 plus box equals 16, and he shared his 7 and the 16, alright, respectively. Now after taking or counting from 7 to 16, he got what? 9, which is the same answer that we have been getting. So student E is also correct. And the last student for today's class, student F. Whoa, he just counted on straight 16 minus 7 and he got 9, which is the same answer that we have been getting. So student F is also correct. So the only student that got it wrong is student D. So that will be all for today's class. Hope it was interesting. I know it was interesting. Yeah, I know you love it. Alright, I'll see you in our next class. Take care of yourself. Bye.